gentlemen, boys and girls. So how's everyone feeling today? Feeling good? Awesome, that's great to hear. By the way, my name is Shawal and welcome to the Kings of the Skies. For centuries, birds of prey have captivated men with their strength, speed, and agility. During our presentation, you will get to see some of these birds flying all around these arena, and some of them right by you. But before all of that can take place, we will need your help. And when the birds are flying really low above you, please do not try to reach out and touch them. This is for your safety and for the bird's safety as well. Also refrain from setting up or walking around during our presentation. You might distract the other audience. At any point of time, if you believe that a bird is flying low or towards your direction, please remember to duck or move away. This is to prevent obstructing the bird's flight path. And most importantly, no eating throughout our presentation. The birds can be very curious. They might decide to come down and share your snacks with you. So all you need to do is just sit back, relax, and enjoy our presentation. Now the question is everyone ready? Oh dear, I don't think so. Come on, let's try this once again. All together now. Is everyone ready? Excellent. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let us begin. And keep your eyes right back there. Everyone meet Nelson. Now white-bellied sea eagle can be found throughout Southeast Asia. In the wild, they are known to hunt venomous banded secrets. And that is a highly venomous sea snake. So Nelson will be demonstrating his hunting behavior. But before that, he will be making a flight across. So do remember to not try to reach out and touch him. Wow. Now I have a replica size crate right here with me. Keep your eyes on Nelson anytime. Here we go. Diving down, great snatch there. Wow. So you might be wondering, how do these sea eagles hold on to such prey? Well, they have scaly legs and rough underside, which allows them to hold on to their struggling and slippery prey. Now he is holding on to his lure. Watch what happens when I try to take it away from him. Nelson, can I have that back? Look at that, not letting it go. In fact, he's being possessive over it. So I will have to do an exchange to separate the bird from the catch, just like this. Awesome, I got my lure back. I can always reuse this. But mainly hunt for fish. These birds can be found in water bodies such as rivers or even lakes. But did you know that they are the largest bird of prey found right here in Singapore? That's right. Now, isn't he gorgeous? Yes, well, it takes about 5 to 6 years for them to reach maturity. That is when the brown feathers that the juveniles have will turn completely white from the head all the way down to their belly. Hence the name white-bellied sea eagle. And Nelson is done. Let's give him a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you. Up is one of those few birds that have keen sense of smell. Now I'm referring to a vulture, to be exact. Turkey vulture. So presenting to you, Titan. Turkey vultures can be found from the tip of Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. They are the most numerous vulture species in the world, numbering way over 7 million in the wild. These birds act as smoke signals. By flying low, it means they have picked up a stench of rotting meat. The big birds like the king vulture, which lacks this unique ability, will follow the turkey vulture's lead. But it will be the job of those big vultures to rip apart tough carcasses, because turkey vulture's beaks are not strong enough to do the job. So there's a lot of teamwork between different species of vultures. And take a look at this notion of what is sitting up here. Can you see any see-through? Yes? Well, a contributing factor to their keen sense of smell. Way better than other species of vultures. Alright, Titan, how about you head back to your trainer? Off he goes. Thank you very much, our turkey vulture. Thank you. Oh, what's that? Wow. Alright, so those are some of the calls made by nocturnal birds of prey. You guessed it. What type of bird of prey makes that call? Owl, that's right. Now take a look around you. Has anyone spotted any owl in the area? Where is the owl? If you're still searching, we have one that is right at the back of the gentleman. Right there. But please remain to be as quiet as possible, because you are about to experience the owl's unique ability of a silent flight. Wow, indeed! I'm pretty sure none of you had anything at all. This is because owls are very soft edges at the tip of their feathers. Even when they flap those wings, there isn't any sound at all. Sound frequency will be absorbed by those feathers. But why do they need to do so? The owls aren't present mind. These are classified as rodents. Rodents have a keen sense of hearing. The owl will require a silent approach to catch their prey by surprise. That's why they're also known as silent hunters of the night. But everyone, we belong our Malay fish owl, which owls can be found in Southeast Asia. This particular species has evolved themselves to hunt for fish, making them very unique. And he is a special bird to us because he was hatched and raised right here in the Jurong Bird Park. And he's already 15 years old. That's right. Now, I'm pretty sure everyone knows owls are able to take their head all the way to the back. But the question I have for everyone here is, until how many degrees do you think an owl is able to turn its head? Anyone? 270. Anyone has a different guess? Everyone agrees it's 270? No different answers? 360. Okay, that's interesting. 360, 270. Anything else? Come on, let's keep it going. 180. Alright, you know what? Let me try something up. Let's say all these three answers, make it easier for everyone. If you think it's right, just raise your hand. Alright, so first up, 180 degrees. If you think it's 180, just raise your hand. It's alright, not bad. Just raise your hand. Okay, next 270 degrees. 270. A lot more. And last but not least, 360 degrees. 360. Excellent. So which is it? Is it 180, 270, or perhaps 360? Well, the correct answer is actually 270 degrees. Right. Okay, let me explain why is it so. Oh no, 180, that's what you and I can do. Owls are capable of much more than that. 360 is not possible. That is one circle. You only see that in a horror movie. Right, so the owls only get up to 270 degrees because they have 14 neck bones, which allows them to do so. Now, as humans, we only have 7, and we can only turn up to 180 degrees. Owls have 14, so 270 degrees. Very impressive indeed. And all below is that the head back as well. Off we go. Thank you very much, our lovely owl. But we all know that birds of prey are excellent hunters, right? As demonstrated by Nelson earlier, he's able to snatch a prey from the surface of the water. And owls are known as ambush predators. They listen to the movement of their prey, and once they pinpoint the exact location, they will pounce on it using, of course, their silent flight as well. And our next bird of prey has different ways of finding food or even hunting, right? They are able to catch insects in mid-air and also steal praise from other birds of prey. To showcase these behaviors, I have on the stick right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply skill a piece of wood at the end of this stick. We shall see our bird of prey fly up from that side, and he will try to snatch this piece of wood. A gentle reminder for everyone here, the bird is going to fly low, might be just above you. So do remember, do not try to reach out and touch it. Alright, so looks like we're all set and ready. So everyone, last meet Rado! And woo, that was a very good snatch. Well, not only that, like I said, these birds are able to catch food in mid-air as well. So Rado is going to straight right there. Are you ready to do some catching right now? Come on, Rado. He's turning around. Oh, here he comes and... Right. Would you like to see more of that? Yes? Alright, come back tomorrow. Okay, so I'm gonna do this a couple more times. Alright, one for this section right here. Okay, Rado. Here he comes. And wow! Alright, that's right. Just in case if Rado happens to drop this piece of food, for those of you looking up, please close your mouth. Okay, the sun is right there. It's going to be slightly hard for him to fly high, so it's just a simple catch for him. Simple. Right. Okay, Rado. Once you're ready, and oh. Right there. Okay, not to worry. So probably guys can be found in Southeast Asia. In fact, they are a local species. And of course, Rado right there, we call her Flower Girl because she really loves plucking into flowers. And not only that, some birds of prey are known to take in small rocks or even pebbles, which is allowing them to digest better. Alright, so Rado, would you like to interest us in doing one last catch? Right, I can see she's holding on to one flower right there. Okay, let's just see whether she's interested to showcase. And if not, we're just gonna move on. Alright, is that okay for everyone? Okay, so this is actually how we deal with large animals in our park, or in our organization. Whenever they do not want to perform, we always focus on follow the temperament of the animals. Alright, come on, Rado, you got one last chance right here. Okay, he's really loving the flower right there. Not to worry, you know what? Let's give a big round of applause, Rado, for quite impressive indeed. Alright, so enjoy your flower right back there. I'm not bothering you anymore. Okay, so probably as I said, are the local species. In fact, if you are lucky, you might be able to catch a wild brownie kite circling around your. That's right. And how to tell a wild brownie kite? Simple. Well, they have a very beautiful white head and chest, by brownish red plumage on their wings. In fact, they can look similar to the white-bellied sea eagle, but like I said, the key difference are the plumage on the wings. Different colors for different birds. And of course, like to take a closer look, very close look at the brownie kite. Do head down to the raptor retirement area. If you're wondering where that is, take a look at the exhibit right at the back. That is the raptor retirement area. It houses not only our former stars, Celtics, Wally, and even Ethan, but other species as well. Now, we care for all these birds, whether young or still in our presentation, or even have retired. Now, I do encourage everyone to visit the raptor retirement area because, like I said, we've got other species, unique ones, the ones that you will not see in our presentation. And I'm referring to these two, right? The black vulture Carlos, the critically endangered hooded vultures Walter and Hazel, and all of them can be found right there at the raptor retirement area. Now moving along right here in Jumbo Park, we do our part in conservation and rescue work. In fact, our next bird of prey making his way out was actually rescued and nursed back to great health by us. So presenting to you, Genghis, our Himalayan ribbon vulture. And these species can be found in the higher regions of the Himalayas and Tibet. Some migrating juveniles headed south have happen to have lost their way and have ended up in various parts of Asia. The Genghis happens to be one of them. Now, he was found weak and dehydrated along shopping district right here in Singapore. Now, where exactly? Along Orchard Road. Now, we rescued him, of course, and nursed him back to great health. After all, he is a survivor. Alright, Genghis, how about you do one last pose right here? There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our Himalayan Griffin Vulture. Thank you very much, and bye-bye. And with that, everyone, we shall continue. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a group of scavengers out here. Let's introduce them to you. The small brown ones are the Cinerus vulture that you found in Africa, Europe, or even Asia. The two lovely ladies are the maroon stork, also known as the old man stork. All these birds exist together in the wild when they are feeding on a huge carcass, just like the ones right there. The vultures are very important birds to the environment. They help reduce the spread of contagious diseases by feeding on carcasses. And that's why they're also known as nature's clean-up crew. Unfortunately, some of them are rapidly declining in the wild. For example, Cinerus vultures are near threatened. As for the Asian counterparts, the slender-billed, red-headed, and the white-rumped vultures are facing extinction in the wild. In countries such as India and Cambodia have expanded the distribution and use of regiments containing diclofenac, a substance which poses fatal risk to vultures. However, this is not enough because vultures are still threatened by two other main factors, and that is poaching and deliberate poaching. So we need to continue to do our part to bring awareness regarding the importance of vultures and to prevent them from being extinct. With that, everyone, after having seen all these birds float here today, I'm sure all of you would agree that they certainly deserve to merit the title, the Kings of the Sky. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We have come to the end of our presentation. But do take note, we have other programs in the park as well. For example, at 11 a.m. the High Flyers happening at the Pools Amphitheater. One last thing, forget fishermen, check for your belongings and do not leave anything behind. All of you have a great audience. Thank you once again. I hope you enjoy your day right here in the park. Stay safe, everyone, and goodbye.